My crazy glue is drying. I want to install this. There was no reason for me to take this off, but ever since I've been a little kid, I got a problem. I love to take things apart. What you want to do is press it down, make it flush. And then, as you know, we've already tested the Phillips heads. That is way too big. Now, when you're dealing with very small screws, see how these are falling off? I didn't magnetize this bit. I don't think I've ever used it. What you want to do is set the screws. Look how easy that was. Just give them a light spin. A hand spin. And we're going to set it into the screwdriver head. This way we can finish it off and know exactly the torque. You'll feel it. These things just keep spinning, so. I guess just till they're flush. This one could go a little bit more. And there you go. That's how you install that top piece.